I'm publishing Kindle Vella Story on Kindle Direct Publishing. Right here, I'm going to click. Now they start giving me all the stories I already published, but it's in review, and this one also in review, and this one is already I posted just a little while. Now I'm going to go to more. So the requirement is basically 600 to 5,000 total word. Should not exceed more than 5,000 and should not be less than 600. So here I'm going to go now this one. Digital Wealth Blueprint, Unleashing Opportunities for Online Earnings. So I'm going to click here, complete story setup. It's already, title is already added. My name is right there. I did yesterday because I was waiting for my graphic designer to send me cover. So they sent yesterday, so I added cover also right here. These covers are basically have to be exact size in order to publish. They must need some photo here, so I did it with my book cover. So book cover, changing size and format, I sent it to my graphic designer. There were multiple actually, so they sent me yesterday. So here's a story tag. Here's a category, non-fiction, and these are 7 tags are right here. So which I already did yesterday. So when I added cover, so right here, publish and start episode first. This is the first episode I am going to start it. So here I have to, my file is open already. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste here. It came, episode story will be Digital Wealth Blueprint. Now I have to insert, I can use doc or docx, but I'm going to copy and paste. So I'm going to copy and paste here. It's all came. I'm going to save right now. So if any error and misspell, they will show me right here. But did not show, so everything is fine. Total word came 1,170. So I'm going to $1,170. Date today is a 25th. So I just like to have my own note so I don't forget. Here is a author note, is optional, but I have it here. So author note is already inserted. They are asking question. Here I'm going to say feedback. Any question can be here. Comments. Suggestions are welcome if somebody want to suggest something after reading. So here, now this is closing date for comments. So I'm gonna just go for July 7. They are asking if I have used AI. AI was not used. This is organic. Once I say no, here is the open view right here. Their preview episode here. Now I'm gonna say Kindle, so people can read easily. Now I'm gonna click publish. They say, are you sure you want to submit this episode for immediate publication? I say yes. So otherwise I have to put date, whatever date I like to. Now they say done. Here is done. They say it can take up to 72 hours for an episode to go live on Amazon store. So basically 72 hours just roughly they give, but tomorrow they're going to send me email and the system will mention your episode is already published like my other episode. Now I'm going to go back to Kindle bookshelf. So here I will go again, visit Kindle Vella, and these are one interview because this is the first episode I added here. So now I will click show more stories. So these are, I have to complete this one all, but I already have few to see their live. Here is live. The future of education harnessing the power of e-learning. This is already live. So because I'm not a technical person, so I have to send it to my graphic designer to design my book cover. Same book cover I use, but just to format and pixel and size they have to change in order to bring it exactly here, because I must need one photo regardless of what kind of photo, or some like a could be person photo or emoji or something which is acceptable. So the best thing is if a book must use same book is better actually. Here is all live, so this also is live. That I did it 2 weeks ago, because I have to wait for my graphic designer to complete the task and send me. So it takes like a few days actually. So now I'm gonna go back to start other story.